Hello everyone, I am Archana from Samir World School Baramati. Today we are going to discuss a topic, angles and the types of angles. Let's start with the definition. If a figure is formed by the two rays that shares common point is called an angle. Over here, the two rays are sharing the one common point which is known as the vertex, and the rays are known as the arms. These are called the parts of an angle. Let's discuss which are the different types of angles. So over here, the first type is acute angle. So the angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Here we have the example of an acute angle. The angle is measuring 46 degree. So we can take such angles like 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. All are an example of acute angle. The second type is right angle. Right angle is exactly measuring 90 degree. So over here we are having the right angle. So we can observe the right angles are having L shape. Next is obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle. So over here we are having 130 degree angle which is an example of obtuse angle. In same manner we can take 120, 170, 155. These are also the obtuse angles. Next type is straight angle. An angle which measures exactly 180 degree is known as the straight angle. So any straight line is having the angle 180 degree which exactly measures the 180. Then next is reflex angle. So the angles which are more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree are called the reflex angle. So over here we are having the example 308 which is an example of reflex angle. In same manner we can take 200, 270, 250, all are the examples of reflex angle. The last angle is full angle. This is also called as complete angle. So an angle which exactly measures 360 degree is called complete angle. Next we are having, let's see how we will be going to measure an angle with the help of device. This device is known as the protector. So if we will look at this device is having the center point and we can see the two scales which are starting from 0 and ending at the 180. So this is the outer scale and this is the inner scale. So depends on which side the horizontal arm of angle is present, we are using these two different scale. So let's discuss how to measure an angle with the help of some example. So over here we can see the blue part is showing an angle. Now the vertex of angle is exactly fixed on the center of the protector. So and the horizontal arm of the angle is exactly situated on the horizontal arm of the protector. So over here if we will see the horizontal arm of the angle is pointing towards the right hand side. That's the reason we will find on the right hand side which scale is having the 0. So we can see the inner scale of the protector having the 0. So we will start measuring the angle from the 0 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30 and after the 30 it's just covering the 5 smaller lines. So it means 35 degree. So this angle is measuring 35 degree. Let's take one more example. Now we can see this is an obtuse angle. So how to measure an obtuse angle? Over here again the same process is there. We have to fix the center of the protector on the vertex and the horizontal arm should be overlapped with the horizontal line of the protector. So again the horizontal arm is pointing towards the right hand side, so we will start with the inner scale. So if we will start with the inner scale, we can see it is covering the points 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Now after the 130 again it is covering the 5 more lines. So this is nothing but what? The angle measures 135 degree. Let's take the one more example. Now if you will see, this is again an example of obtuse angle, but here the horizontal arm of the angle is pointing towards the left hand side. So in such a cases, we have to check where is the 0 present on the protector. Now we can see the 0 is marked on the outer scale. So for such examples, we have to use the outer scale. So if you will start measuring the angle with the help of protector, we can see after the 140, it just covering the 4 lines. The dark fifth line is not covered. So it means what? The angle measurement is 144 degree. So here these are the different angles which we can measure with the help of protector. So now over here you all are having one exercise. So here you all have to check which are the different types of angles, and you have to write down the names of these angles in the comment box. Thank you so much.